Some of you said that you want a tutorial on the camera. This thing. Sure, I can do that. Let's start off by creating a new Blender project. Delete all these unnecessary shit. And then let's go add a camera. Then in the rotation we can type 90, 0, 90. This will make the camera facing exactly the same direction as the player is going to move in SmashHit. Then let's go move it 1 meter upwards, because the player in SmashHit don't actually follow this red line. In fact, it's 1 meter above this red line. The next thing we're going to do is to make the camera move. Let's first go over to here and change the frame rate to 30. And then change the end value to 960 and the start value to 0. Then we are going to add a keyframe for the X value of the camera and move over to 960. We're going to add another keyframe, that is the end position of the camera, which is equal to the length of the whole level. For example, you want the level to have a length of 400. So you type negative 400 here. This is very important. If you miss the minus sign, then the camera is going to move backwards. Yeah, negative 400 is the correct value. Add another keyframe. Great. Now we can already see the camera moving, but as you may already notice, the camera start accelerating slowly from the start and becoming faster and faster as it goes forward. We don't want that. We want a linear movement. So let's go ahead and open up Graph Editor. Here you can already see that the line is actually a curve. The next thing we are going to do is select this curve and we are going to make it a line, a straight line. Now let's go back to the timeline and see if it works. Yep, the camera moves exactly the same way we want it. Good. Now let's open up another view and choose 3D viewport. We're going to put the camera here. Yep. Just like that, we have a camera. Let's go add a box to test how it looks. Yeah. This is looking great. This preview is even quicker than the quick test in Shatter. It's real time. As you are editing, you are seeing the preview over here. And I think it's very useful. And best of all, this is not just a pure preview. It has editing functions. You can actually edit in this small window and also in the big one over here. You can do that. And also, if you want a even bigger camera view, you can actually tap the camera button over there and change the whole main view to the camera. Tap again, you got out. However, this thing cannot replace the quick test completely. You still need the quick test, obviously, because the obstacles, yes. You can only see a little X over here, but in the quick test, you have the actual obstacle displayed on your screen, which is good. This thing, currently, no, it cannot do that. You'll see all the obstacles like this. And also, the fog and all the physics stuff, it doesn't have. So this is like a drawback of this. Yeah, having one is much better than nothing, isn't it? You can preview how the at least the walls, how the walls are gonna look like in the game. And also you can like make little edits over here. Also, I put the crystal on the block. Wait, is this actually a crystal? Yeah, I haven't yet set it as a crystal. I'm gonna put a pyramid here. So yeah, there is a crystal on a box, and you can even move the box around, and the crystal. Yeah, very good. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.